Hello, and welcome to CGK, Curiosities about General Knowledge. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most fascinating facts about the Amazon rainforest, one of the most diverse and important ecosystems on the planet. Fact number 1. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers. It spans across 9 different countries in South America, including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. The Amazon is often referred to as the lungs of the planet because of its importance in producing oxygen and removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. In addition to being incredibly vast, the Amazon rainforest is also one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. It is home to an estimated 10% of all the species on the planet, including more than 2.5 million different insect species, tens of thousands of plant species, and countless animal species, such as jaguars, monkeys, and macaws. One of the most amazing things about the Amazon rainforest's biodiversity is that new species are still being discovered there every year. In fact, researchers estimate that there may be millions of plant and animal species in the Amazon that have yet to be discovered and described by science. However, the Amazon rainforest is also facing numerous threats, such as deforestation, mining, and climate change, which are putting its biodiversity and the services it provides to the planet at risk. That's why it's more important than ever to protect this incredible ecosystem and the species that call it home. Fact number 2. The Amazon rainforest produces over 20% of the world's oxygen. Trees in the rainforest absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. In addition to producing oxygen, the Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate by storing and cycling large amounts of carbon. The Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the Earth's lungs, because of its importance in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. However, it's important to note that the process of oxygen production and carbon absorption in the rainforest is not as simple as it may seem. While it's true that the Amazon rainforest produces a significant amount of oxygen, most of it is actually consumed by the plants and animals that live within the forest. In fact, only a small fraction of the oxygen produced by the Amazon rainforest is released into the atmosphere and made available for humans and other animals to breathe. Despite this, the Amazon rainforest is still incredibly important for the Earth's climate and the health of our planet. Deforestation and other forms of land use change in the Amazon are contributing to increased carbon emissions and climate change, which have serious implications for ecosystems and human societies around the world. Protecting and restoring the Amazon rainforest is crucial for mitigating the impacts of climate change and ensuring a healthy planet for future generations. Fact number 3. The Amazon River, which runs through the Amazon rainforest, is the largest river in the world in terms of volume. It spans over 6,400 kilometers and has a discharge of approximately 209,000 cubic meters per second, which is greater than the next 7 largest rivers combined. The river begins in the Peruvian Andes and flows eastward through Brazil, eventually emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon River and its tributaries are incredibly important for the ecology and economy of the Amazon rainforest region. The river provides water for millions of people and countless species of plants and animals that live in the region. It also serves as a major transportation artery, with boats and barges carrying goods and people along its length. The Amazon River is home to thousands of species of fish, including many that are unique to the region. One of the most famous and fearsome of these is the piranha, which is known for its sharp teeth and aggressive behavior. However, despite their reputation, most species of piranha are not actually dangerous to humans and are an important part of the river's food web. The Amazon River and its tributaries are also home to many species of river dolphins, including the pink river dolphin, which is the largest species of freshwater dolphin in the world. These dolphins play an important role in the ecology of the Amazon River and are revered by many indigenous cultures in the region. Overall, the Amazon River is a crucial part of the Amazon rainforest ecosystem and the communities that depend on it. However, like the rest of the Amazon, the river and its tributaries are facing threats from deforestation, mining, and other forms of human activity that can damage or destroy the river's habitat and ecology. Fact number 4. The Amazon rainforest is home to thousands of indigenous communities, many of which have lived in the region for thousands of years. These communities have developed unique cultures, languages, and traditions that are intimately tied to the forest and its ecology. Indigenous peoples of the Amazon rainforest include groups such as the Yanomami, Kayapa, Ashaninka, and many others. Together, they represent over 350 different ethnic groups and speak more than 150 different languages. Indigenous peoples have a deep understanding of the Amazon rainforest's ecology and biodiversity, and their knowledge has helped to sustainably manage the forest for generations. For example, indigenous communities have developed techniques such as agroforestry and selective logging that allow them to harvest forest products without causing long-term damage to the ecosystem. However, the Amazon rainforest and its indigenous communities are facing numerous threats, such as land grabs, deforestation, and violence from loggers and miners. These threats have a significant impact on the lives and livelihoods of indigenous peoples, who depend on the forest for their food, medicine, and cultural identity. There are many organizations and initiatives working to support and protect indigenous communities in the Amazon rainforest, and it's important to recognize and respect their rights and contributions to the region. Indigenous knowledge and practices can play an important role in promoting sustainable land use and biodiversity conservation in the Amazon and beyond. Fact number 5. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet, with millions of species of plants, animals, and microorganisms that have yet to be discovered or described. Estimates suggest that the Amazon rainforest contains at least 10% of the world's known biodiversity, including many rare and endangered species. Some of the most iconic and well-known species of the Amazon rainforest include jaguars, macaws, anacondas, sloths, and monkeys. However, there are many other species that are equally fascinating but less well-known, such as poison dart frogs, giant otters, and electric eels. The Amazon rainforest is also home to countless species of plants, many of which have important medicinal or cultural uses. For example, the Amazon rainforest is home to the acai berry, which is widely used in health foods and supplements around the world. The bark of the cinchona tree, which is native to the Amazon, contains quinine, a powerful anti-malaria drug that has saved countless lives. Despite its importance for global biodiversity, the Amazon rainforest and its species are facing numerous threats from human activities, such as deforestation, mining, and agricultural expansion. The loss of habitat and fragmentation of ecosystems can have devastating effects on wildlife populations and the health of the forest as a whole. Protecting the Amazon rainforest and its species requires a multifaceted approach that includes measures such as sustainable land use, conservation of endangered species, and efforts to combat climate change. It's crucial that we recognize the value of the Amazon rainforest and its biodiversity, and work together to ensure its preservation for future generations. That's it for today's video on 5 surprising facts about the Amazon rainforest. We hope you've learned something new and interesting about this incredible ecosystem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts about the world around us.